Bathane Namaskar. I'm here by the shores of Dwaraka in the sunset state of Gujarat on this very auspicious day of Gita Janti. So I thought I'll share with you a small shloka, the first shloka among the 18 most important shlokas of Bhagavad Gita, where Arjuna expresses his dilemma, which then results in Krishna clearing up that confusion and dilemma that Arjuna had about life itself, where he's confused utterly. So, in this video, I thought we'll go through this shloka in Gujarati script along with Gujarati meaning as well, and we have this English meaning as well to help us understand this in more detail. I just finished recording a complete playlist of videos where we use these kind of practice sheets, Gujarati practice sheets, to learn to read and write the letters of the Gujarati script. In this video, let us first learn to read and write the shloka. Let me read it out first. न कांक्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किं नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा. We also have the meaning of the shloka in Gujarati and in English. Before we go there, let us learn to write this shloka in the Gujarati script. Na kangshe vijayam krishna na cha rajyam sukhani cha kim no rajyena govinda kim bhogair. This is the part of it. Kim bhogair ji vi te na va. So I don't know if you are a Gujarati speaker, you might have found this very simple, but if not, you might have felt that I wrote it quickly and went through it because I just practiced reading and writing the letters of the Gujarati script. You can find those videos in a complete playlist in the description below. So once again, na kangshe vijayam Krishna. Hey Krishna, the English meaning of it is something like this. Hey Krishna, na kangshe, I do not desire vijayam, victory. Nacha rajyam, and also I do not desire rajyam or kingdom. Sukhanicha, or the pleasures that come with it. Sukha. Kim no rajyena. Kim is what? Of what use is this kingdom or rajya, which is rulership? Hey Govinda, kim no rajyena Govinda. Hey Govinda, of what use is this rulership and rajya? Kim bhogaihi, what to do with all these pleasures? Bhoga, jivitenava, and what is the purpose of this jivita or life itself? So this forms the crux of the question which Arjuna poses to Krishna, the dilemma that he is in, which then prompts Krishna to reveal the secrets of life, death and beyond to Arjuna. The Gujarati meaning of this is, Hey Krishna, who Vijay, Rajya अथवा सुखनी आकांक्षा राखतो नथी. हे गोविंद, आ राज्य, भोग अथवा जीवननो ज शो प्रयोजन छे. Let's learn to write this in Gujarati script as well. He Krishna, who Vijay Jaya Rajya Athva Sukhani Akanksha Rakhato Nathi. He Govind, He Govind, A Rajya Bhog Athva Jivan Noj Sho Prayojan Che. All right, I'm very happy with how this has come about. I'd like to thank Jayanta Panda of the Sanskrit Acharya official for having provided me with this translation and audio notes for me to learn this with. I hope you also found this useful on this auspicious day of Gita Jayanti, learning the first shloka of the 18 most important shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. Thank you so much once again for watching, and please make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more updates. We'll be exploring more literature from this land of Gujarat composed in Sanskrit. We already started with Shiksha Patri of Swaminarayan, and thank you so much for joining in. Namaskaram.